Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Toyota Sienna. This is the SE. That V6 is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if any of the LEDs on this vehicle appear to flicker, that is the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing you that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. See, it does have LED headlight surrounds and fog lights, painted alloy wheels. This one is this one also is an 8-passenger. But you see this other passenger seat stows right there, and it would fit right between those captain's chairs in the second row. See, they are black leather, a lot of stowage space. Power liftgate, power sliding doors. Go ahead and take a tour of the interior. You see that you do have a 100-watt power outlet right here, along with two other 21 amp. That's super handy, especially if you use your van for anything but commuting. All right, so there's the VIN right there. We'll come over here and turn this down so you can hear me better. All right, and you'll see that it has 35,786 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your stereo controls, your push to talk, your cruise controls, and then your trip computer toggles. And there's your ignition and your key fob right there. And then there's your shifter and your comfort controls. Speaking of comfort, down here you'll see your heated front seats, USB auxiliary port, 12-volt outlet, cup holders right here, and then you have cup holders right here and additional stowage down in here. And then as you come up above, you're going to have your infotainment center, and there's home right there, and your stereo with your sources of AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and then you have your disc and USB. Going back home, then we can go ahead and put it in reverse. There's your reverse. And as you come up above, you're going to have your compass in your mirror, and your map reading lights, and your glasses holder will double as a conversation mirror so you can talk to the folks in back. And that about wraps it up for the Sienna on the interior. All right, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. It did hit a stationary object that resulted in some damage here up front and center, and then also over here on the passenger side. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.